Hey, hi you guys. I'm in my little kitchen. I'm Amy Roloff. So I'm gonna put this chicken cacciatore over some garlic mashed potatoes. I thought that would really enhance, kind of chicken cacciatore. I've got one whole onion chopped up, and then I had leftover orange and yellow peppers. I went ahead and did that. I have half, in fact, I gotta finish cutting up these. I have half of a green pepper, half of a red, because I didn't want to make this pepper chicken cacciatore.
Oh yeah, this is tender enough. I don't need everything on there. Oh yeah.
Is it pretty good?
A lot of different flavors going on in
Yeah.
there.
A little bit of
Wow.
red wine in here.
Mmm.
Yeah, tomato paste.
Yeah, no, there's just